channel and welcome back to another weekly vlog. My name is Milani. Whether it's the first or the second time, please let me know what you think of my new intro. Right now I'm on my way to my facial appointment. I would say monthly facial, but I actually had to reschedule it twice. I don't get it every month. It's like I haven't been since like May or June, and it's because it wasn't in the budget. But today I'm actually, you know, really excited to finally go. Excited to catch up with Tatiana. For the rest of the day, I do want to go to Target today to get some hygiene necessities, just a couple things that I need for the house. And I think I want to try juicing soon. Not like a full week of like juice diet only, not that type of thing, but I hear a lot of benefits about celery juice. I know I've never tried it. I want to just try my hand at like making my own mixes and blends. I think that would be really cool. And if I like celery juice, I hear it has so many benefits, and especially, you know, in regards to my skin, I know that getting those fruits and vegetables in really will help with my skin. So if I like celery juice, I want to buy one in a bottle before I actually go and start juicing it, because then I have to wash the juicer and all that stuff. So I'd rather just buy it in a bottle first to see if I even like it. I'm mostly focused on getting the hygiene stuff that I need. Can you let me over or no? I want to try the Dove antibacterial soap for I need to get over as well. Come on, let's do this. Thanks, dude. So sorry. But other than that, I hope y'all had a great weekend. Mine was pretty good. I had a little impromptu little shindig at my house, which you probably saw and in my last vlog. Everybody had fun, you know, got home safe and all that good stuff. So I do want to do another dinner party this year, but before the year ends, I'm just like, which weekend? Because we just have so much, like, so many engagements that we have already committed to. But other than that, I have no plans for major hosting for the rest of the year. And I'm happy about that. It's not that I don't love having people over, because I do. We did it a lot this year. I would like a break from that, which I think is okay. Love that for me. So I need to focus. I'll talk to you in a minute.
With them college never stop, pull up energy. I don't wanna be stuck up in this cold.
Here. Let's get inside. 1 minute till my appointment starts. I'm in my little room, my treatment room. I don't know if I will film this time because it's the same facial that I got last time with the dermaplaning, but I didn't get a good dermaplaning clip last time. Otherwise, I'll see you when I get done. Okay, there we go. I can't see it, but I'm sure I'll look at it later. This is cute. I like it. I have been getting the no filter facial my last like 4 sessions, which mainly focuses on, I guess the main procedure is dermaplaning, and I get that LED light therapy. So those are the highlights that I included in there and showed you guys. And sometimes I just want to relax, so I didn't film the whole thing, but it was amazing. And she gives great massages. She does like a little shoulder massage while you're laying down, so she's like presses her hands under your back, arms. She does my hands, on top of like how good the facial massage itself feels. So after my facial, I'm always glowing, but I don't focus so much on how my skin looks immediately after, because it just went through a lot. So I've got like redness, of course, still. Extractions have been done, so it's like my skin has gone through a little bit of trauma. I don't obsess over how it looks immediately after, because sometimes it's kind of like, it's not like a miraculous like, oh, my skin's clear now. But over the next like 2 days, I am glowing. Let's not forget that. But over the next like 2 days ish is when I really start to see the results. And I focus on how my skin feels immediately after, and it always feels super fresh, super good. I feel like I should just be letting my skin like marinate at home in the bed, just relaxing. But I can't do that. I'm actually gonna go to the Target out here just to see if their stock is any different than the one by me. We found a big brown Target, y'all, and it was 5 minutes away. Let's go get our stuff. Laundry list of things added to the list. This was actually my first time seeing one of the Ultas inside of a Target location, and after saying I don't need anything, so I'm not gonna go in there, I still went in there. Of course, I had to check it out. There are surprisingly a lot of brands that they fit in here. Of course, the displays are all condensed from what you'd see at a standalone store, but still, lots of good options. But this trip is mostly for hygiene items. I haven't seen a jar in the longest time, but I just bought the squeeze bottle, so I don't really need this. But like, pro tip, y'all, if y'all don't already have the Target app, you need to download it. You can scan things while you're shopping to make sure the price is what the price is. If not, you can price match it, and it'll pull up the offers on the item if you have any. This can actually be the one I keep at home, and I can travel with the other one. So, the CeraVe Renewal Cleansing. This one, Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer with sunscreen. Because I know this is not going to have a white cast, which is exactly what he asked for. So I'm going to scan this and see if there's any deals on it or if it's cheaper online. And no, the answer is no. That smells really good. This is hair care. They've got Penetrating Glow Getter. Definitely recommend it, but I don't need it right now because I have like a half full bottle. We've got one win so far. These are some huge claw clips. I like that though. That's really cute. I like this color. I love the square. I guess it's a rectangle. Ooh, so pretty. This will be really cute with a formal outfit. Sorry I couldn't finish shopping at Target with y'all. My storage was full, and the Ulta inside of the Target ended up coming in handy. So let me show you what I got. I wanted to try. I also started on dinner. I wanted to do something quick since I got home kind of late after doing all that stuff. So I decided to do a one skillet, I guess, Spanish chicken and rice. And I might throw a vegetable in on the side. It'll be done in about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like now before it's cooked. I hope it turns out right because I'm not the best at cooking rice. This is it right now. 20 minutes covered.
We'll be starting with the Fragile Rosé. It's from Maury, France. floral with a dry finish. You get some raspberry from it.
Part of the
Yeah, we have a as we get onto reds, we have a you get some pear. It's more on the light side. People have been loving this Pinot Rouge.
Okay. No, this is what? That's another starch. You eating mac and cheese and corn? First of all, that's nasty because they're both yellow and like ew. But you're eating ew. That's really nasty. Really judgmental over there. I'm just really laughing because why would they ever give us steaks that are hard?
And I'm full.
What you say? Anybody not drinking their wine, give it to me. Okay? Like, if you want to do like a request, so you can just go to the iPad and like put your phone. Yeah. I'm posting that in a second. About it.
That cherry air freshener is strong back here. You got the little, no, it's okay. You got the little can with the little felt thing in it.
No, I got the little black pouch that you're not supposed to open.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's okay.
It's so
strong. I was like,
it don't smell bad, fortunately.
It's just like, woo, we gonna get out smelling like it.
Something.
Pin quarter.
Yes.
Something.
Their guac burger, fire.
Ooh, thanks, Uber. We'll give you. This is one way, so I can't.
Please.
In 3/4 of a mile, take exit 7 on the left onto
Girl,
I-695
shut up.
east toward DC 295.
I know, but I need it because I'm down.
What are you talking about? Get all the way over.
What are you willing to do? Take us away.
I'm a little bit scared. It's not that bad.
All right. So I love lavender drinks, and I've been making these lavender lemonade shots for the last 2 functions I've been to. One I hosted, one I went to, and they asked me to make some more. So I'm giving you a loose recipe. I don't have major measurements or anything. Basically make it to taste, but it's super simple. So I'm making the lemonade aspect from scratch with real lemons. Obviously you could use any pre-made lemonade powder, whatever you like to do, the already squeezed lemon juice, whatever. But all it requires is lemonade, lavender syrup. I'm using the Tirani brand, and vodka is my liquor of choice in this, which is honestly probably the best choice. I could see maybe gin used in this, but nothing else. So after I got the lemonade tasting how I wanted it to, and yes, I do add water to this mixture, I ended up adding this whole, I believe it was a 750 ml. It's a small bottle. It might look big on screen, but it's a small bottle of the vodka, the Tito's. I added that to the lemonade, kept tasting as I went to make sure it tasted good. And yeah, this yielded about 40 shots, and everyone loved them. I loved them. So maybe try it for your next event. These were going to be served at the door as a welcome shot at my friend's silent disco party. So let's go. setting up the shots at the door. When people come through the front door, they'll see their table here. And yeah, this is a little sign that I made last time I made them.